Sir, please,
Listen to me.
sir, please tell us what's up also.
Sir, today
Okay,
you will
wait.
take exam.
Wait. Okay.
Assalamualaikum, sir. Assalamualaikum, sir.
Sir, but we have not assigned on IMSLG.
I told
Yes,
it
sir.
Assalamualaikum,
earlier
sir.
also. Okay.
Yes. My name is Assalamualaikum, sir. Assalamualaikum, sir. My name is Hamza Khamar.
Okay. My screen is visible to you or not?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Visible.
Okay. Very good. Just
It is physics period.
this maths. This you have to do in this period. Okay.
Sir, this is very small.
Huh?
Very easy, very small. This paper is very small.
Just do it immediately.
Yes, sir.
Do it fast. Okay. Do it fast.
Sir,
This is very
okay, sir.
easy. Try to
Okay, sir.
get the maximum marks. Okay.
Sir, please tell me, sir, when we have to submit this exam.
At 11:15. Okay, today. I am uploading.
11:15, sir.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Sir, we have to submit on IMSLG.
Yes, but I'm assigning it. Okay.
Sir,
Beta.
Sir, we have to write only answers.
Yes, beta. You listen to me.
Question number 5. This is X sign or multiple sign?
It's a multiple sign.
Multiple sign.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Write your
Sir,
name.
is it
Listen to me and follow it. Okay. Write your name on the paper. Okay.
Actually, I want to ask.
Listen to me first. Okay. Okay. I'm muting everyone.
The part is already in proper fraction. So we have
Whatever.
to do it in mixed form.
Otherwise, how
Sir,
will you
there
do?
are only 5 questions. Please tell.
Okay. This is a class test. In that, 5 questions are given. It is of 20 marks. Okay. And you have to write your name. Listen to me. Don't waste your time, beta. Okay. You have to do this and you have to submit at 11:15 on ALG app. After that, I will not submit. It will be considered late. Okay. And wait for a second. And also write your name clearly, neat and clean. Question number and do it with neat and clean number. Okay. Okay, listen everyone, do it neat and clean. Okay, I assigned it on the app also, you can check there. Okay, I uploaded the paper also there also. Everyone see there's a time limitations. Okay, please follow that time limitations. Okay, and who is writing? Okay, I will listen to me. If anyone is behaving or writing, I will report it immediately. Okay. Immediately, I will report. Remind this thing in your mind. Yes, Faizan, what do you want to say? Yes, Faizan, what do you want to say?
Sir, I have one query.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, in mathematics text, sir, question number 1 third part.
Okay, let me assign you first. Wait for a second. Okay, in the one group, I will assign it. Wait for a second. Okay, in B section, I will assign it right now.
We have to answer.
Yes.
Sir, but
Yes.
in question number 3, it is written 53 is to 50 upon 57.
In which question?
Sir, question number 1, C part.
53 upon 57.
Sir, here last number is greater than.
have to write only answers.
Okay, considered. Take it 5 only. Take it 7 only.
Sir, 53/7.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Take 5 or 7, whatever you want. Okay. Okay, in both the section A and B, I uploaded the paper. You can go there and also see in the app. Okay, but everyone. Can see. Okay, convert the following proper fractions into mixed fraction. The first one is 13/5. B1 is 92/13 and C1 is 53/7. Take it 7. Okay. I am again saying take it 7. Okay. Take it 7. Basically, I write this question just to know that is it possible to have a mixed fraction of this or not? Okay.
Sir.
Okay. For that, listen to me. In third section of question number 1, third part, if it is unable to convert into mixed fraction, then you will write that it is unable to mixed fraction. Then you have to do yourself. Either you take 5 or either you take 7. Is it clear to everyone? I'm again repeating what I'm saying. I am saying that if the third part of 3/10 is converted into mixed fraction, then it is good. If it is not able to convert, then you should write first it is unable to convert it into mixed fraction. You can write the reason also and take any number so that it can be converted into mixed fraction.
Sir, is the paper on IMSLG?
Yes, you can. Everyone see it. Can here also on the screen. I'm sharing it to you, and on the ALG app, it is there. Okay. Yes, Ubeda, what you are saying? Hana, Ubed?
Sir, please tell that what we have to do now. Sir, it is not joining.
Better is join. You can join. Hana? Yes, beta, what happened to you? You start the paper or not? Hana, where you are there? Yes. In the second question, you have to write 4 equivalent fraction. Okay, listen to me again. Do not take shortcut. Okay, and do the calculation completely.
Yes, sir. From another mobile, I have now, just now I have joined the group and now I'm giving.
Okay, mashallah, that's good, Hana. You join it and be on time. Okay, 11:15 is the last time. So without talking much, concentrate on the paper. It is very, very easy. If you can do this, then you can do all type of questions. Okay, write 4 equivalent fractions for 12 upon 36. Find the sum of the following. You have to make the sum of these two fractions. Okay, one is improper, another one is mixed one. Then fourth one is for subtract the following. Okay, and fifth one is simplify it. Okay, this is not x, this is a sign of multiplication. Okay, this is divide, this is multiplication of this. So you have to understood by yourself what does it mean of here. Okay. So inshallah, I hope all of you get very good marks. Okay, as it is the paper is very easy. Take easy beta, don't take tension, do it in a better way. Try, solve it properly. You can make a for calculation, you can make the margin in the right side of the page. Okay, make a column there and do calculation there. Do not submit the paper just writing the answer. Okay, I want to see the calculation as I told earlier also. Calculation is important. Whether everyone is on mute. What happened, beta? These are strict instructions. Remember it from today. Okay, do not write anything on the screen. Immediately, I will take the action. Immediately, I'm saying again. Okay, if I see anyone, okay, who is writing on my screen, then I immediately take the action. Or if anyone using or writing any abuse words, okay, then I will take immediately some action, or I can message, email to Zoom. Then he will definitely take the action on their behalf also. Okay, it will be very dangerous for you. Okay, you're not following Zoom's rules. Yes, who is raising the hands? Yes, Hannah, what do you want to say? Is there something?
No, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I am not able to unmute myself. It is saying the host is not allowing participants to unmute themselves.
Okay. Yes, Subhada, tell me.
Yes, sir. I was saying that I am not able to see question 4.
Okay.
No,
I can
question
see.
But
five.
now,
Question 5.
but now I am able to see.
Okay, beta,
Okay,
don't
now
who
it's
is
visible.
speaking, please. Okay. Try to do yourself, beta. This is your exam, your progress. Okay, your progress is in your hand. Okay. So try to solve it yourself. This is very easy. Just concentrate. Everyone listen to me. Just concentrate on the paper and do it step by step. When you do it step by step, then easily you will get the answer correct. Don't take tension. Okay. Do it coolly with a cool mind. Yes, everyone, please lower your hands. Okay, everyone lower your hands. Okay, and then one by one, if he or she want to ask something, can ask. Lower, first of all, lower everyone hand. Lower hand, everyone lower your hand. This is very easy paper. I'm again saying, just cool your mind and do it properly. Inshallah, you will get very good marks. Yes, let me see this. Yes, Musayyab. Tell me what's your problem. Fast.
Sir, what is the question number 1C part?
Beta, it's 53 upon 57. Okay, check it. It can be converted into mixed or not. If not, then tell me the reason also. Okay. And then you have to make it also converted. Okay, in the mixed fraction. Okay. Yes, now lower your hand. Yes, Ruqayya, tell me. Yes,
Sir, I was
Isma.
saying that can you please show the question number 5?
Wait, Isma, wait. Naba, you tell. Continue.
Okay. Sir, please show me question number 5. It's not clear.
Yes.
Yes. Fine. Thank you. Sir, in question number 1, part C, sir, it's proper fraction, so we cannot make mixed fraction. So I have changed the number, sir.
If you are not
myself.
listen, if you not make the fraction, tell me the reason. Write down the reason also.
Sir, because it is
Whatever be
fraction.
whatever be the reason, to write it on your paper. Okay, don't discuss here. Yes, who is done? Isma, your query is covered, so lower your hand. Naba, your query is covered, lower your hand. Yes, Sharish. Yes.
No, sir, just I want to tell that I have submitted before the time and I have completed every question and with solution I have done them.
Okay, good. Ruqayya Khushid, your query is done. So lower your hand. Who is this? Amina. Yes, Amina. Tell me fast. Yes, tell me fast. Ruqayya Khurshid. Yes, tell me fast. Yes, one by one. I don't want to make this a fish market.
Sir,
Okay.
sir,
Listen. Yes,
sir,
who is?
please show the question number 4.
Okay, is there. Yes. Beta, it is your
Sir,
mobile.
I want to ask.
Yes, tell me. Tell.
I want to ask where we have to add 7. You said like that.
Where you have to add 7. Where about
So
what
you
I said?
na, that
I-
here 7 is.
I am saying that in the third part of question number A, okay, as if any one of the 3 questions are you unable to make into mixed fraction, okay, then there is a reason for that. You have to write that reason and make it convert it into mixed. Then if anyone is unable to convert into mixed, make the reason, write down the reason why it is unable to turn into mixed fraction, and you can make them a mixed fraction by taking any number. Okay. In the given denominator,
Okay,
you have
sir.
to take the number from the given denominators only. Okay, the 2 digit number here, just like that, you have to take either 1 or 3. Here, you can either take 5 or 7. But
Sir,
not
how many questions are there?
only 5 questions are there.
Okay, sir, I have submitted.
Good. Yes, anyone want to ask anything?
Sir, show fifth question C part.
Okay.
Sir, please show question number 4.
Okay, beta, wait. Beta, it is.
I want to go. Can I ask?
Yes, beta.
Sir, submitted.
That's good.
Sir, don't
Sir, show fifth question.
So question number 5. I'm asking something. Can I ask?
Yes, sure.
Sir, what is the second question?
What? Write 4 equivalent fractions. Okay, you have to write.
Sir, I also want to ask that in third question in B part we have to also write it in form.
In the third question, B part, you have to 2 fractions are given. They are in mixed form. Okay, you have to add up these 2 fractions. Okay, you know that how to add the mixed fractions.
Sir, now is coming in. Sir, answer is coming in improper. We have to also do it in that mixed.
It is up to you. Okay, either you drop the answer, leave the answer mixed form, or you leave it into improper. It is up to you.
Sir, what do you have? See that question number 5 B part, that 27 divided by 3/2.
Where? Which question?
The question number 5.
Fifth. B part 27 divided by 3/2. Okay. So you have to do it and remember to write the name of full name and also your do it question number. Okay, but a question number should be there. Okay. Yes. What is this? Who is this? Who is this? Turn off your mic. Okay.
No lava. I'm not with lava though.
Yes, time is only 10 minutes are left. Better. Okay. So do it fast. Yes, better one. Just tell me.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, you want to do something? You are raising your hands. Yes, beta. If you don't have any query, lower your hands. Yes, Anavya, Dulahat,
So you can submit till end.
Nidia, Anusha, lower your hand. It is very easy, beta. Okay, after doing the test, also you can check it, okay, before submitting. So what happens sometimes that you do correct, seems that it is correct, but you unable to check it again. Okay, so there will be a mistake. So please, before submitting, go through for checking. Okay, check it once again. We check the paper so that if any there is a mistake, then
Sir,
it
I
is
have submitted.
mashallah. If anyone, please do it. Okay, before submitting, check once again so that
Sir, I have
if
submitted my paper.
very good, mashallah. Okay, I'm again saying that do not write only answers. Okay, I want the solutions. I want to see the steps. If I'm finding anyone's writing the only answers, then I will not give any marks. I already told about this.
Okay, sir. Sir, if you will fill the paper is messy, so you will cut a marks.
Yes, beta, what am I say it again?
If you will feel that the paper is so messy, everything is done very badly, and so you will cut a marks.
Who is saying this? Cheryl, I think you do this. Huh?
Yes, sir. I think my paper is messy because I have done everything in very speed.
But for that, I have told this thing also that you make a
Sir,
margin there.
please tell what we have to do in question number 3.
But in question number 3, you have to sum, means you have to add these fractions. Okay.
Okay, sir.
For to avoid such type of messy work, beta, I to
Submitted the assignment, alhamdulillah.
okay, very good. Okay, so make a margin because margin separates from the original solution. Okay, calculation is separated by the solution, so it not looks messy. Okay, not look dirty. So try to do like this also. So make some margin boxes. In that box, you have to perform your calculations, and calculation should be such that it can be readable by the teacher also.
Sir, I have submitted.
Okay, very good.
Sir, in third question, we have to plus the fractions.
Yes, beta. In third question, find the sum. That is sum means you have to add these fractions. Okay.
Okay, sir. What we have to do in question number 3?
Beta, you have to add these fractions. Find the sum. What does the sum means? You have to do the addition. Remember to write the date, name, and class section also.
Sir, I was having network issues, so can
Sir,
I
have
need
submitted my exam.
more time?
Yes, beta.
Sir, I
I need more time. Please give me. I can submit till when the period is over. Till 11:59 we submit.
Test. Listen.
When we will get our results?
Very soon. Test means test. No extra time is okay is allotted to you.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. I was having network issue.
Sir, I have submitted my paper.
And it
Okay,
was no time also.
whatever be the network issue, you have to submit on the app. Okay, then I will consider how it was. Okay, how the paper you performed. Accordingly, I give marks. Okay, there is not the way of submitting late, and whatever be the network issue, and you can submit it on the app. It will show late also. Then I will see it accordingly. Okay, try to do whatever be the questions, and it is not necessary. Okay, listen to me carefully. I'm saying this is in time, whatever the questions you perform, submit it. Either 1, 2, 3. Okay, because time is allotted for the test and examination also. No extra time is given to anyone. How many questions you perform within that time, you have to submit that question, only that questions. Okay.
I have performed all questions.
Yes,
I have performed all the questions.
that's very good, beta.
I have also.
Yes, sir, I also. Sir, I have asked you
Quiet
something
also,
on your.
quiet everyone. Should I again put some security then? Yes, beta, 5 minutes left. Okay, submit it in time.
Sir, I want to ask that enforcement question. That is, we have to. There are another. So that denominator. So I want to ask what we have to do.
Beta, these type of questions you already performed the class in the exercises also. There are different denominators. Then what you have to do in case of addition and in case of subtraction.
This is what we have to do. Division.
In which question?
Fourth one question, sir. Fourth one question.
Beta, in
A1.
A1, this is 5/7 minus 1/4. You have to subtract it. You know how to subtract the fractions? Don't know. How will you done the exercises then?
Second one. Sir, second one.
Beta, second one, how you forget the things? Huh? This is mixed fraction. You don't know how to subtract the mixed fraction.
Sir, I have submitted my test paper.
Okay, very good. Everyone knows how to convert the mixed fraction, then improper, then do it accordingly the given question. Okay, Mohammad Obez, I will report it. Don't worry for that. Okay, unless until some actions are not taken, then you will not be able to get serious. Yes, Mohammad Obez, I see it. You're doing it. I see it. And today, some messages will definitely reach to your home. Don't worry for that. Your everyone ID is installed
Sir,
on
I
your.
have submitted.
Very good. So be careful for that. Okay, if I report, then everything is Zoom meeting has everyone's ID, personal ID. Okay, they will mail you and they will catch you. Every time, beta, who is this? Every time told this that do not use by screen, do not make it as a fish market. Okay, then you are not calling, then I will take some actions then.
लगता है आज तो हम लोग के आपको पता है मुझे मेरी
Yes, what is this?
So now what we have to do, we have completed our paper.
Okay, so what time is over? 1 minute is left.
Sir, I have submitted.
That's good. Everyone submitted on the ALG app. Okay, let me see how many students have submitted this paper. Yes, 14 students have submitted in girls section. Okay, good one.
Sir, please tell the name of those girls.
Bye, beta. You submitted or not?
Sir, I have submitted.
That's
Yes, I
good.
was asking
What's your name?
that it has Anabia.
Let's okay. In boys section, in boys, beta, if you submitted and it's already there, okay?
Net problem. I cannot submit my assignment. Sir, please, I can submit in your personal number.
Only before 11:15. Okay, after 11:15, I will not check this time.
Submit in 11:14, so it is not submitted by network problem.
Only 4 boys submitted, and in that,
Sir, please, I can submit in your personal number because that problem I have submitted in 11:14, so it's because so sir, phone to come.
okay, let me. Who is saying this? Yes, I think it's Rashid Ali. Huh?
Sir, from 11:14, I
Rashid Ali.
am trying to submitting my paper, but it's not submitting only.
Who is this?
My also.
Rashid Ali Nidia.
Yes, sir.
Okay, submit immediately to me right now. Immediately.